Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing a quick weave, and I'm using hair from Cinyolahair. This is 100% raw hair in every strand. I have the bundles 20, 22, and 24, and the texture that I have is called Cinyola wave. So as you can see, just look at it straight, like beautiful. It got that bounce and everything. Spoiler alert, y'all, I love this hair. I still have this hair and I've been wearing it for about a week, and I plan on keeping this quick weave in for at least a month and then reusing the hair. That's how good it is, but we'll talk more about that later. I'm showing you guys my little braid pattern. I'm going to do a side part, so I have my edges out, and then I have like a little bit of leave out in the middle, and then the rest of the hair I braided down. So we're gonna do a quick weave, so I'm going to put some of this like protective stuff on my hair, and I'm just gonna kind of like paint it on my hair and make a protective layer so that the glue doesn't get in my hair. Then I'm gonna go over it with my blow dryer to make sure it is really nice and dry. After that, I'm going to use my glue to kind of do like an outline of the cap, and then I'm going to go and over that with my blow dryer again to make sure it's completely dry, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut the cap. So this is called molding. I'm making a mold so that I'm protecting my hair and just like creating the whole cap thing. Of course I do get like a little glue on my scalp, but everything else is protected. And then for a final step, I'm going in with my got to be spray and adding another layer of protection so my hair is protected to the max. Okay, now that I got my mold on and everything, we're gonna go ahead and start adding the bundles. So this process, this part of it is pretty easy. All I'm doing is measuring out the bundles to my head and then cutting them in little pieces and then gluing them on. So first I just measure, then I cut, and then I glue, and I make sure to press it in nicely so that it's not going anywhere, and that's pretty much the process. So I'm just going to show you guys that until we get to the top. Okay, once we are at the top, I'm just showing you guys that my hair, like all of that cap, is completely covered, and then I'm just adding a little bit of sprit so that I can make sure it's in place at the very top. And then this is the natural curl of the hair, you guys. Absolutely beautiful, but I know that that won't match with my hair, so I'm trying to like make it blend. So I'm gonna go in with my blow dryer and blow dry the hair out, and then I'm gonna go in and curl it. So a little bit more about this hair. Like I said, it is 100% raw hair. This is my first time ever having 100% raw hair, and I can definitely tell the difference, you guys. Like I said, I've been wearing it for about a week, and I instantly can just tell, like, it just looks so good. It has like this beautiful luster to it. It just looks really healthy. You can just tell that it's really good quality hair. And then one thing that I really love about it is it does not shed. And I know a lot of companies claim that their hair does not shed. This hair does not shed at all, y'all. Like, I brush my hair all the time. I run my fingers through my hair all the time. I'm not getting shed hairs at all, which is crazy to me. So I can definitely vouch for that. If you get this hair, for sure, you're not gonna have no shedding. And I already said that this is my hair, like this is gonna be my signature hair, because that's how much I love it. I definitely will be using this hair again, and even ordering some more myself, because that's how much I really like this hair. But anyway, I am flat ironing my leave out. So I just took my leave out, and then I'm flat ironing it. So after I pretty much blow dried all of the hair, that's what I'm going to do. And as you can see, even though I blow dried the hair, it does still have like some curls and everything to it, because obviously it is curly hair, and I didn't really feel like making like bone straight or anything, since I'm a curly anyway. Okay, so look at it. It's so freaking pretty. Like, I love this hair, y'all, and it is very soft as well. So right now all I'm doing is cutting layers, and I'm cutting very generous layers in this hair, because I just want this hair to be like bombshell. Just yeah, this is the hair that I put in my hair for back to school. As you guys know, I'm returning as a teacher. Well, I'm a teacher now, and this is the hair that I said I want to have for back to school. Speaking of back to school, they are having a back to school sale right now, so if you want to get your hands on this hair, now is definitely the time to do it. Like I said, y'all, this is some really good hair, and the price is right. Because I was like, okay, when I order this hair again for myself, I want to see how much it's gonna be. I looked it up. I was like, what? How? I don't even know how they do it, but the price is really good for this to be some raw hair. And while I'm doing all this talking, y'all, I'm still cutting layers, because I'm telling y'all, I really wanted to have like some beautiful layers. Beautiful. And by the way, I ended up using almost the whole 3 bundles. I had like enough to put in a couple tracks if I wanted to make it a little bit fuller at the top, but I pretty much used all of the bundles, and you can see that it's nice and thick and everything. So I went ahead and put my makeup on and everything, and now I'm just going to add a couple curls. I mean, you can see that it already has that wave in it, even though I blew it out, but I'm just gonna add a couple curls to like frame my face and everything real quickly. Okay, y'all, so I'm just like finger combing the curls out, and yeah, this is the look. As you can see, I'm just running my fingers through it. It is just some beautiful hair. Everything about it I absolutely love, and I love how it blends in with my hair. That's why I got like a hair texture that had like some curl to it, so that it can give it like some texture. So I love that, and I have all of my edges out, so if I want to pull my hair up, I could do that. I can like do a lot of stuff. I could wear headbands to work and everything. So yeah, absolutely beautiful. This hair is long. I'm going to show you guys in a minute how long it is. I'm just showing you guys from the back what it looks like, but this hair is very long. So this is how far the hair goes down on me, and I'm 5'6". That's the 24 inches, which is the longest length, so you guys can have an idea. Later on, I did end up cutting the hair just so that I can like wear it on the daily. So I'm gonna show you guys that, and then I did go ahead and kind of straighten the hair out a little bit more. And I'll show you guys that in the next clip. I absolutely loved how it looked when I did that, because that just makes it look even better. So this is what it looks like when it's like straightened out even more. It just looks so freaking natural. Oh my goodness. So yeah, y'all, I am in love with this hair. yeah, I definitely recommend. Check out the website. I'll have the links and everything down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.